Oh, there is it. Go. Did you saw? It was behind this. The whole, oh, go, go. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm playing Escape the Grandpa Hobby. Who is she? Why are you in my recording? Leave. Leave. Anyways, yeah, so my brother's gonna join us and we are gonna do this hobby together. Are you ready? Oh yeah. Oh my god, again? Really? You're confident? You should come close, like the voice, huh? You are in. So guys, we're doing a race to see who wins. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna see who wins the race. Is it me or is it him? I'm winning so far. Let's see. Ready? Why? Okay. You need. Really? Go. Okay, so first we have carpets. Stage 2, hidden sinkhole. Oh, I lost.
It zooms out, right?
I think it's wrong. Yeah. Wait, what? Okay, so now we're at stage 3. Across the stall, Grandpa left Owen on. Watch your steps. Hi. Sliced. That's scary. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. What are we supposed to do?
Just jump on the knife and go.
Oh, I thought you have to jump on the knife. Never mind.
Very good.
Yeah,
They also named of their life.
that's good. Good.
So I'm ahead. I'm the
Don't worry, I'll catch you soon.
now I'm in bingo.
Me at bingo too. Grandpa loves bingo. Ahead of you.
Who cares if the grandpa looks like that? I really don't.
Peace. Looks like a dead end. Click on to find a hidden door. Here? No, here maybe? Where are we supposed to? It should be back with this. No, not this. Here? What? Okay. Oh, there is it. Go! Did you saw? It was behind this. The whole. Oh, go, go!
I don't know if I really can actually.
Cave Mahmed? What? I didn't read it. Haha. I'm ahead of you.
We both are ahead. The girl was ahead.
Who's she?
I don't know. She's playing with us.
Her name is Kitty?
Yeah.
Yeah, she wanted to be my. She wants to be in my video, I think. Or something. Oh god, this is a maze.
She's a lost tunnel.
Mm-hmm.
Where are you?
I don't know. Okay, I think I'm going wrong. There. Oh my.
I see you.
I found it. Come. I found it. Why? Stage 10. Grandpa's pipes. Pit pies. You ahead of me? Oh, I lost. Here. Oh, she came. That kitty girl. Let's say her name is Kitty Girl.
Okay, there are 2 doors.
I lost again. It was that easy.
There's an misplaced book.
Why you playing good?
You have to explore the
Yeah, how you know how you cry. Okay. Where are you? That was good. Easy. Burning positions. You know, we are like together a little bit. I didn't see. Wait. Hannah?
Oh, you have to go in that door.
I'm a little bit without you. Girl. Wait.
And now it's like 13. There's a switch Roblox for it in there. Switch Roblox for it.
What is it?
You can remember the promo code which kept so overused.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know a video about it.
What is it?
Switch Roblox?
I don't know.
Lucky word?
Oh, this one. Oh no. Oh no. Hi. Can you see me? I'm back of you. I think we're in its intestine. The wine. Wayne, honey. It's Wayne, not wine. The Wayne. Cup you lose. Yeah. No, you are. Because if I lose, I am out of my track. Like, I'm winning so far. What? More wines? More wines? More wines? Hear me, God. How is it hard? Oh, that's hard. That is hard. How? What? Really? Grandpa's last meal. And he ate muffin, blueberry muffin, some sandwiches and burgers. Delicious. Stage 20? A stage? Oh, I'd rather not say. You know what is it? A poopy. Poopy. Really? How? Yeah. Oh God. Oh no. Mm-hmm. I won. I won. I won. Party time. I won. Show us. Where are you? We can't see you. I won this. So guys, this concludes the video. I won. Y'all can see. I won. I don't care. I won. Wow, look at this. You don't have to press. It goes for you. Wait, I can clearly like just go there. Look, it just comes. I'll see you all next.